against corrupt government. That's you. Have a nice night.
Hello. Thank you for having me, Honorable Mayor and Council. Let's get one fact straight. President Bush actually signed the 2008 law that allowed these refugees to come.
Yeah,
So it's not the president.
and he's wrong.
Exactly. So it's not the president, and they don't come from one thing. My mom's an immigrant. My aunt's an immigrant, owns 8 restaurants, and my mom owns a beauty salon that hires American citizens.
Legal or illegal?
With that being said,
It don't matter.
with that being said,
No. Don't even know that.
I thank you guys for having me. I want to address the whole memorial related to immigration. I'm a United States veteran. I was served my country for 4 years. United States Air Force, military police. When I was serving my country, wanted to die for my country, I found out the same country I was going to die for was deporting my sister. My sister was a resident. She moved here when she was 8 months old. Went to University of Arizona, studied communications. But at the same time, while I was being deployed, I found out that that country was deporting my sister. Now I was tasked with a decision. Do I continue to serve the country that I love, that I was born to die for, or do I get out and help my sister? After 2 years being detained without the ability to seek a bond hearing, I got out of the military, and we launched a campaign for my sister. We were able to get her out on bond. After my sister was out, after she was released after 2 years, me, my sister, my wife, and several other community members from Arizona went to our state's capital, our country's capital, to ask Speaker Boehner to put a bill in for immigration reform. After a couple of months being in D.C., it was evident to us that this do-nothing Congress was not going to pass immigration reform. They have all these. We have all these community members, all these family members in limbo, without any relief. Congress continues to play politics with our families and our communities. Our president continues to deport at a record amount without even being seen, more than any other Republican president, more than any other Democrat president. So that's why my hat's off to Council Member Regina Romero for putting forward this memorial. And as a veteran, as a community member, and as a grad student, I support and I ask you guys to also support this memorial. Thank you. Have a great day.